guys, welcome to Blushing Beauty. How are you doing today? Guys, I hope you all are fine and you all are safe at your home. Guys, today's video is very important for all of you, whether you belong from India or you belong from outside of the country, because we are facing a pandemic situation that is a COVID-19. So I'm gonna explain you about the COVID-19 complete knowledge. This is my personal research. So please guys, watch this video till end because I will explain you one by one basic points which you need to follow in order to maintain your health. So guys, the basic knowledge of COVID-19 is we all are aware where it is coming from. The COVID-19 which we have found that is coming from China. Right now China's situation is very good. They are pretty good to work in their environment, but right now all the other countries including India is facing this kind of problem. I'm from India guys, and there is a problem apart from COVID-19 which we are facing. And apart from India, if you are from outside of the countries, you also are facing this issue, the issue of face mask. That means all the people are facing face mask issue, which we can say all the people are facing issues of oxygen because they put their mask approx 24 hours, and if you are applying your face mask 24 hours, so might be there is a lack of oxygen and your oxygen will not go to your body, and this oxygen will make your immunity very low. So make sure guys, please avoid face mask while you are at your home and you are alone, because the face mask thing which we generated, this is for the protection from the people around you. If you are in a meeting, if you are near to anybody which is having coronavirus, so please put on face mask. But if you are not having any kind of issues, like you are at your home, you are at your office and you are alone, do not put your face mask. But if you are talking to someone, put your face mask completely. Like if you are putting your face mask in such a way that cover your lips only, like your mouth, do not do that. If you put the face mask, the right way to put your face mask is this. You need to apply your face mask while covering your nose and your mouth. This is very mandatory, and maintain 1 to 2 meter distance while talking to the people. And go ahead guys, there's a problem which we are facing, that is lacking of oxygen as well as the problem of weakness, because if we don't have proper oxygen in our body, the blood circulation will be very less and we will feel weakness, and due to the weakness our blood pressure will reduce to minus like 50 or 60, and due to that we can die as well guys. So it is a very important or it is a very dangerous situation which we are facing. So make sure ki you should use your face mask in a public place and do not wear face mask while you are alone. Go ahead, I will guide you some important things or about some important medicines which you can take or which doctors are providing to the coronavirus patients. These are the medicines are vitamin E. Vitamin E is a very good source of immunity. While taking vitamin E, you can maintain your good health and it will be beneficial and help you to create a good immunity inside you and your body. Apart from vitamin E guys, you please take vitamin C 1000. This is a capsule tablet. You can take vitamin C, and apart from that guys, I request you to all please take approx 10 to 15 minutes sunlight. This is very mandatory for all of you guys. If you are taking sunlight, it will provide you vitamin D, and vitamin D is very important to make your immunity stronger. So please visit or please sit approx 10 to 12 minutes sunlight. And guys, please take approx 2 to 3 liters water per day. This is very mandatory. If you are having any kind of issue, please take warm water or a normal water. Do not take the cold water. Please take warm or a normal water, approx 2 to 3 liters. And apart from that, this is my opinion guys, while having your lunch, dinner or a breakfast or any kind of snacks, That means while taking any kind of meal, you need to take a you need to take a hot food, like it should be warm. Do not take stale food. It should be fresh and warm. And moving go ahead, guys, there is an important news which I'm gonna explain you. This is very important news which I have learned from my research. Coronavirus or COVID-19 exists in the pH level of 5.5 to 8.5. This is the 5.5 pH level and this is the 8.5 pH level. So the COVID-19 exists in the 5.5 and the 8.5 pH level. So what we need to do, guys, in order to make our immunity stronger, we need to take those things, those foods or those ingredients which are more than 8.5 pH level. Like for examples, you can note it down. The green lemon is very good source of immunity, because green lemon having a pH level of 9.9 pH and yellow lemon having the pH level of 8.2. So take lemon. These are very good source of immunity and having a higher pH level. And you can take pineapple, orange, because these fruits having a good pH level. Pineapple having 12.7 pH level and orange having 9.2 pH level. So please take these kind of fruits and take a good diet, like contains vitamins, protein. This is very good for your health. Do not take any stale food and do not take like any pizza or a burger. Take a good protein diet. And guys, apart from that, I'm gonna explain you some features which we face in the initial stage of COVID-19. The main features which we face while having the coronavirus, that is approx, like if you having a temperature or increasing the temperature, is the first thing which we can define. This is the thing that defines the COVID-19. If you having a higher temperature, go to the doctor. And if you having the problem of breathing, please visit to a doctor. If you having a problem of cough or sneezing, then please maintain your quarantine and isolation and visit to the doctor. And apart from that, guys, there is my personal solution, or this is my personal suggestion to all of you guys, which you can follow and you can create your immune system stronger. The main thing which you need to follow, that is, guys, take a 1 glass of water. That should be a warm water, and cut a half lemon and squeeze that lemon into the warm water glass. It should be 1 glass warm water with half lemon. Then you need to take that warm water and a lemon daily, empty stomach. That will help you guys, and that will be very beneficial for all of you guys, and it will help you to increase your immune system, guys. I hope you all like this video. If you like, please share this video to your family and your friends, guys. This is very important knowledge, and if you having any kind of concern, please ask me into the comments. I will definitely help you out. And I wish you that you should be having a good health, and you will be safe and protected, and we will beat this coronavirus together. I'm with you and God is with us. So don't lose your hope. Be positive and stay positive. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.